Join me as I dive into the stock market and try to uncover its biggest secrets. Let's see if I can turn a small investment into something amazing. The stock market can seem like a mysterious world, full of secrets and strategies that only a select few understand. But what if I told you that understanding these secrets can be the key to successful investing? It's true, knowing how the stock market works and what drives its movements can make all the difference in your investment journey. Many beginner investors jump into the stock market without a clear understanding of how it works. They often rely on tips and rumors, which can lead to poor investment decisions. Misinformation is a huge problem in the investing world. It's easy to get caught up in hype and speculation, but this can lead to significant losses. Fear of loss is another major obstacle. Many investors let fear dictate their decisions, which can cause them to miss out on great opportunities. Without a solid strategy, it's easy to get lost in the market's ups and downs. So, what do seasoned investors know that beginner investors don't? For one, they understand the importance of diversification. By spreading their investments across different asset classes, they can reduce risk and increase potential returns. They also keep a close eye on market trends, using technical analysis to identify patterns and make informed decisions. Research is another key component of a successful investment strategy. Seasoned investors do their homework, digging deep into a company's financials and competitive landscape before making a move. And they're patient, understanding that investing is a long-term game. The most critical secret that can drastically change an investor's approach is the power of emotional discipline. It's easy to get caught up in the emotions of the market, but successful investors stay calm and focused. They avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By keeping emotions in check, they can stay on track with their long-term investment goals. And that's what sets them apart from the rest. So, there you have it, a few key insights that can help you navigate the stock market with confidence. Remember, knowledge and strategy are your best friends when it comes to investing. If you've learned something new from this video, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights and investing tips, and be sure to check out my other videos for more practical advice.